and in this short video I'm going to show you a very powerful tool. It's simple, it's free, and I'm going to show you basically how you can set it up. And it is a plugin that is created or designed by Automatic called Jetpack, and I have written a blog on it. I composed a blog talking about how you can actually set up this blogging and how you can set up your auto share. So basically, let me just scroll back and show you what I'm talking about. The application, the plugin is Jetpack. You can add the plugin to your WordPress website by just coming to your web plugins and you search for Jetpack, and you have it activated. And once it is activated, you will see the icon. Most of the time after the dashboard, you come to your settings, and on your settings, this is the settings. So you come to sharing. From your sharing, there are three major areas you can actually leverage. One is that you can connect your social media channels to this Jetpack. The second one is that you can add a sharing button. You can add sharing buttons to this WordPress blog or page, anyone you want to be sharing. You can add, like if you are a blogger, you are starting your blog, you can actually add sharing buttons to the blog, and with that you can have people who like your content automatically will have it shared. And the third one is the like button. So I'm going to show you how I set all these up. Now, the first one is this publicized connection. So that is automatically you share your post to social networks. Is when you click on connect your social media account, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, that is WordPress marketing connection and your normal websites. It's just straightforward. Let me click again. So it's going to load that page. So what you do here is you need to connect your social media channels. You must have created all these channels. You must have been building your you must have the channels already. And of course, this is MailChimp, some other connections that you can also use. So it's just straightforward. Immediately it comes to this sharing page, and it's under marketing. If your own website, if your own did not go directly to sharing, it's under marketing. You see sharing, and all you need to do is to connect you are going to see connect here. All these ones are already connected, so you are going to see connect here. So just all you need to do is click on connect. Let me click on reconnect here. So immediately you do that, it's going to, you must have logged onto your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn. You must have logged onto those, and you now click on this. So it's going to search for it, and if it is the same account, the same owner, you can say continue as Fetuga Mojeed. And like I have some pages that I manage, and I have my own personal page or pages. I have pages. So the first one is Mojeed Fetuga, and Mojeed Fetuga. These two, I just connected the two, and I click next, and I approve that Facebook to manage all this. WordPress Jetpack should manage all this information, and they are going to post that I am the one posting. So it's actually automated. So you click on done, and if you do that, it's just as simple as that. Okay, so it's going to connect, and this is what you are going to see. Immediately you come to your WordPress, your normal WordPress, your blog. Like I'm using Elementor to edit my own blog, to write my blog content. So you see your Jetpack here. If you click on Jetpack, you can see the channels that are already available. These are the channels that are available, and they are already connected. So and these are just auto connect. These are the channels. This is the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Tumblr. So if you write any blog post here now, any blog post that you write, anything you write here, and you just click publish, why it will go to your blog as a normal post, let me see, why it will come to your blog as a normal post, is also going to go to your social media channel. See, this is the one I used on my Twitter account. Some of the blog posts I've done on my Twitter account is going to just bring it up automatically, and these are good backlinks, because people who search for information or who see this may decide to just go back and see what you have done on this. Likewise, the LinkedIn, this one is opening. So that is the first one. The second one is the adding sharing buttons. So let me just go to, once you come to your sharing, okay, adding sharing button, once you come to, you just click on configure your sharing button. It's going to take you to where you can select. It's also the marketing, the sharing button. Like this one is marketing connection, this one is marketing WordPress, like marketing sharing button. This is the website. Here is WordPress marketing connection. This is the website. So, and it's free. They are free version. So these are preview of sharing buttons that you may want to have. Your Twitter, share this. It's going to be like this. Share this: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Tumblr, WhatsApp, and what have you. And you can select either the content icon and text, or icon alone and what have you. And you can actually show where it should be posted. Is it on the post, on the pages, on any other things that you have? And the Twitter also, you have Twitter handles if you want it to be. Let us see how it's going to look like on the normal WordPress sites. So okay, this is it. So people who go through your WordPress, who go through your blog, may decide that, oh, this content is okay, let me share it on social media channels, and they will share, and it helps you create backlinks to your content. And of course, people can also like it. People can like this, and of course people can also leave comments. So that is the second one, sharing button. And the third one, I've actually mentioned that is the like buttons. The like button, let me show you again. The like button, this is the like button here. So this is the share button, this is the share links, the one I have chosen. I have the accounts, and of course you can choose any other one. The bearer, the person that wants to share it, would be the one to share on his own account. So, and we have the like this, people can like it, and it actually improves your reach. So, and it's going to go to the social media, just like you have it like this. You just have it on your Facebook, on your LinkedIn. The LinkedIn is not opening. Okay, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, and what have you. So in summary, we've been able to see now this plugin is free. It's free. Is not, yes, of course there are paid plans. You can, that's it. If you want to upgrade, there are other features that you will see, but they are free, and it actually creates good backlinks. I've added that to the content in my blog. I mentioned the benefit of backlinks to your website. Backlinks are, I mentioned backlinks. I define backlinks as posts or articles or medium, okay, where your content link, okay, this link is there. So probably you've written an article, or you commented on an article, and you now put in your link redirecting to your own website where you too have similar articles. So backlinks are medium, okay, where your content links are posted, thereby availing traffic to locate and link back to your own main content. Okay, and this is one of the importance of auto sharing this your content on social media channels, because you're actually generating traffic to your website. If anybody clicks any of the content in any of the social media channels, in any of these, it's going to direct them back to the main source, which is this blog. And that is how you'll be able to start generating traffic, and you'll be able to improve and build on your conversion. And the only thing is that sometimes Facebook may be having issues, so you just have to be, active, know what is going on, check and always confirm your links if they are still there. Otherwise, you just have to be reconnecting. The issue here is technical on Facebook and probably their policies. Okay, so that is why it is, but it is still working. It is still working, and probably because I connected 2 pages. I connected my profile and 2 pages, which should not be, because Facebook do not approve using profile accounts on this. Just you can use pages, not profile accounts. But I connected 2 pages, but then it will only choose one and it will go, and it has been going. I've been seeing the links on social media channels. Okay, this tutorial, if you have any question, anything you want me to help you up, do video, show you how you can get it done, subscribe to the channel, comment below and let me know how I can add value to your business, to your ideas. I release my video every week, and I'll be seeing you in the next video, because I will be talking about setting up some other tools that can improve your audience, your traffic organically. See you, and till next video. It will be next week. Today is Friday, so I'll say happy weekend. My name is Fetuga Mojeed Olalekan. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video if you found some value in it. Comment and let it go viral. Thank you and God bless. Bye for now. Bye bye.